Hey everybody, I just want to take a minute to kind of go over how I was able to automate the scan tool in ThinkorSwim. For those of you familiar with the app, you know that they won't just let you buy or do anything to stocks that enter the watch list, but what they will do is let you email yourself when there is a new stock that enters that list, and an email I can work with because I was able to create this screener script, and using Gmail and the IMAP system I was able to extract the ticker symbols, and then it validates them using the historical data, and we'll just go ahead and show you. After it does all this, it writes them to a watch list, which is for another script to run. But as you can see, it extracted this ticker from my email, it got the historical data, made all the calculations, and then it meets the criteria, so it adds it to the watch list. So now that that is done, we would run this script. It uses the Charles Schwab API, which can be found over here. You have to go to the Charles Schwab development portal, and once in there you have to it froze on me. Basically, once you're in there, you have to create an app, and then once you have that app, it will get approved, and they will give you your access key and secrets that I like to put into an env.py file, but they would go right in here. This is the account number that you want to use to automate your trading. And then this is your Gmail IMAP setup. You have to go through the same process, create an app, they give you a password, a username, and all that. But I will show you this script working. So as you can see, it is placing orders, and you can hear them being rejected just because I don't have the cash to place any new trades right now. But the criteria is simple. The fast EMA must be above the slow EMA. Once price closes outside the upper Bollinger Band, we're going to put a limit order down here at the low, targeting the high, and then that's it. Just rinse and repeat. But that's pretty much it for the demonstration. I put all of this information and all the scripts and code are on GitHub for you to get and tweak and make it your own. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.